What are the advantages and disadvantages of applying for naturalization? Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Immigrant Blueprint channel. My name is Attorney Ebony Anuforo, an immigration attorney located in New Jersey, representing clients in all 50 states and around the world with immigration law matters. Today, I want to talk about the advantages and the disadvantages of naturalization. Naturalization is a process by which a legal permanent resident becomes a United States citizen. And in order to naturalize, a legal permanent resident needs to meet certain requirements, which I will address in a different video. Now, the decision to become a U.S. citizen is going to be different for different people. Some people may choose to naturalize because they have a sense of pride and they want to become a U.S. citizen. Others may choose to naturalize for the opportunity to vote or obtain federal jobs. And many people choose to naturalize in order to petition for their family members to come to live in the United States. Now, no matter the reason you choose to naturalize, when you're considering taking this next step, you should consider both the advantages and the disadvantages. Some advantages of becoming a United States citizen include, number one, the right to vote in elections. Elections help shape policy and laws in the United States, and the more immigrants who vote in elections, the more influence they have over elected officials and over policies that impact immigration in this country. So if you are interested in seeing changes happen in the immigration space or with immigration reform, then when you become a citizen, be sure that you're an active participant and that you are voting. Number two, only U.S. citizens can hold public office and obtain federal and certain state government jobs. There are many career opportunities in the government that are not open to non-citizens, so becoming a U.S. citizen will open the door to many of these opportunities. Number three, a U.S. citizen can petition for more family members through the immigration system than that of lawful permanent residents. And in most cases, the wait lists and times are much shorter for U.S. citizen petitioners. As a good example, a U.S. citizen can petition for their siblings, whereas a legal permanent resident cannot. Number four, as a U.S. citizen, you cannot be placed in removal proceedings. Okay, you can lose your citizenship under certain circumstances, don't get me wrong, but it is difficult. Legal permanent residents, however, can be placed in deportation and removed for many more reasons than that of U.S. citizens. Number five, as a U.S. citizen, you can live outside of the country. A legal permanent resident would be considered to have abandoned their permanent resident status if they moved outside of the country. In fact, as a legal permanent resident, you cannot stay outside of the country for more than 180 days at a time, with some limited exceptions. And if you stay outside of the country often and longer than 180 days, you can draw attention to yourself and you could be considered to have, again, abandoned your permanent resident status. Number six, traveling to some foreign countries may be easier as a U.S. citizen. Some countries allow U.S. citizens to visit without requiring a visa. And this is great if you're a person who likes to travel and visit different places, then U.S. citizenship is a great option. Whereas if you're a legal permanent resident, you'll need to apply for a visa to get into many countries. Now, these are some advantages. I'm sure I can list a lot more advantages of becoming a U.S. citizen, but I just wanted to name or list just a few. Now, some disadvantages that you should consider when applying for citizenship include the following. As a U.S. citizen, you are required to pay taxes on all of your income, including any income that you earn abroad. And this is not commonly known. So if you have an issue with paying taxes on any businesses or income that you generate or earn outside of the country, you should speak with a lawyer and a CPA before you apply for naturalization, because you will be required to pay taxes on all of your earned income as a citizen. Another disadvantage is the potential loss of dual citizenship. While many countries do allow dual citizenship, there are some countries that do not. And if you're a person who wants to maintain citizenship from your home country and dual citizenship is not allowed, then you may want to reconsider whether naturalization is the right fit for you. You want to consider the pros and cons, right, of not having dual citizenship versus having dual citizenship and weigh what is most important to you in this particular circumstance. Another disadvantage to consider is the potential loss of your green card and being placed in removal proceedings. Yes. Now, maybe you were never supposed to have a green card in the first place, and now you apply for naturalization and you've potentially exposed yourself to USCIS. When you apply for naturalization, USCIS is going to consider how you received your initial green card. And if you received your green card through fraud or an error or some other shady means, applying for naturalization could expose you to removal and deportation. So if you're concerned about how you got your green card, or maybe you feel like you may have become inadmissible since having your green card because of potential crimes that you may have committed, then before applying for citizenship, please speak with an experienced immigration attorney who will be able to analyze your case, the facts in your case, before you apply. Naturalization might not be worth it if it means that you're going to lose your green card and be deported. I hope that you found this information helpful. If you have any questions about the naturalization process, or you would like to speak with me to know whether or not you qualify for naturalization, you can click the link in the description, or you can call or text 201-565-0099. If you liked this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you know anyone who would benefit from the information I provided in today's video, please share the video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Take care.